Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to mention someone on Instagram story. So if you want to mention a name or your follower on Instagram story, so that they'll be notified that you just publish your story on Instagram, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to mention someone on Instagram story, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app on your phone. This could be on Android or could be on iPhone. Then click on the plus button, select story. Now go ahead and select your Instagram story. So let's say this is our Instagram story. Select that. Once you selected the story, click on this emoji icon and then here locate and click on mention. Once you click on mention, then go ahead and type in the Instagram username. So you want to make sure you type in the correct Instagram username and then select the person from this pop. Once you selected the person, then you should see the person mentioned. You can also add multiple users again. If you want to add more people to the Instagram username, click on it again, click on mention, then repeat the same thing. Select it. So start a chat from your story. If you want to start a chat from the story, click on continue. Then here you can just adjust whoever you mention on that Instagram story like this. You can also remove anyone from the story if you want. Then once you are done mentioning these names, go ahead and click on the pointed arrow to send it. Click on share and then you're good. Done. Now if you come to your Instagram story, then you should see the story like this. You see that? So that is basically how to mention someone on Instagram story. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.